Noise. Well, today the teacher assigned a math worksheet for us to do. First thing we're going to do is add our name to the top. And look at this. We have 16 problems on this sheet. That is quite overwhelming for us to do. So first, let's take a deep breath. Makes me feel a little bit more relaxed about doing all these problems. Something else we can do is, if you're feeling overwhelmed, take another sheet of paper, just cover up those 12 problems. Now we just have 4 to do. I have a little star right here. That's our goal, to do this 1, 2, 3, 4 problems, and then we're going to take a break. And it feels a little bit less overwhelming having those 4 problems there than all those 16 problems. So we're going to do some math real quick. We have a 2 and 4, 6, 1 and 1. We have a 2, 1 and 3 is a 4, 3 there. 6 and 3 is a 9, 1 and a 2, 39. 7 plus 0, well, that's nothing, so 7 right there. And 1 plus 1 is a 2. And look at that, we met our goal. Now we get to take a break for a minute or two, and we can come back and finish the sheet later.
12 seconds later. 5 minutes later.
And we're back. We had a lot of fun on that break. And this is still kind of overwhelming to look at. Look how many problems we still have to do. We still have to do 12 problems. We're just going to take this little sheet again, cover those up. Look at that. We only have 4 problems to do till our next break. So I'll put another star right here. We got to reach that star. So for next problem, 0 and 5 is 5. 2 and 1 is 3. 9 and 0 is 9. 2 and 1 is 3. 9 and 5 is, well, this one's a tricky one. We have to do a 14, but this one, we're carrying that 1. 1, 2 plus 5 is a 7. 9 and 0 is a 9. And 3 and 6 is another 9. Okay, look at that. We reached our goal. We did problems 5, 6, 7, and 8. We are halfway done. We reached our goal. Time for another break.
10 seconds later.
Take my horse to the old town road and gonna ride until I can.
A few minutes later.
All right, we just got back from our second break. We are halfway there. Let's take another deep breath. Feeling pretty good about this. Now what we can do is cover that. Now we just have 4 problems to do till our next break. We're going to reach that star right there. We're going to do problems 9, 10, 11, and 12. Let's start over here on the left. 4 and 3 is a 7. 1 and a 2 is a 3. 6 and a 0 is a 6. 5 and a 2 is a 7. 4 and a 5 is a 9. 1 and a 4 is a 5. 6 and a 5, got another tricky one. That's an 11, so we're going to make the 11 this way, carry the 1 up there. That is 5 plus 2 is a 7. And look at that, we are already at our next goal. We earned another break, and I'll see you after that break.
12 seconds later. A little longer than a few minutes.
And we're back to finish our math sheet. We don't even need this anymore. We only have 4 problems left. All right, we have problems 13, 14, 15, and 16, and then we are done. We're going to put a star right there. That's our goal, to get to that star. Just 4 more problems. All right, 8 and 9 is going to be 17. Carry that 1 up there. That is 4. We have a 7 here. We have a 7 there. We have a 7 here. Look at that, so many 7s. 5 and 4 is going to be a 9. 6 and 1 is a 7. And 2 plus 2 is 4. I almost wrote a 2. We have 4. And we are done. Look at this. We are done with all of those problems just like that. Taking breaks throughout your assignment. It makes it a little less overwhelming, a little easier to do. Your brain gets a break. And now we're done, and we can either move on to the next assignment, or we're done for the day.
Take my horse to